Assam is known for producing some of the finest teas in the world, and tea tourism has become a popular attraction in the region. Assam Tours and Travels offers a variety of tea tourism experiences that give visitors a chance to learn about the history and culture of tea in Assam, as well as taste some of the best teas in the world. One popular option is the Tea Garden Tour, which takes visitors to some of the most famous tea estates in Assam. During the tour, visitors can learn about the tea making process, from plucking the leaves to processing and packaging, as well as the history and culture of tea in Assam. They can also sample a variety of teas, including the famous Assam black tea. Another option is the tea tasting tour, which focuses on the flavors and aromas of different types of tea. During the tour, visitors can taste a range of teas, from light and delicate white teas to robust and multi-black teas, and learn about the different factors that affect the taste and quality of the tea. For those who want to immerse themselves in the tea culture of Assam, Assam Tours and Travels also offers tea bungalow stays to experience tea executives' work environment. Assam Tours also offers homestays on tea estates, where visitors can stay with local families and experience daily life of a tea estate. They can participate in activities such as plucking tea leaves, visiting the processing factories, enjoying cultural programs like Bihu Jummer and traditional Assamese meals. Overall, tea tourism in Assam is a unique and fascinating experience that allows visitors to learn about the history and culture of tea in one of the world's premier tea-producing regions. Assam Tours and Travels can provide you with an unforgettable tea tourism experience in Assam. Experience unique tea tourism with the best tea tour operator, Assam Tours and Travels. Once you visit Assam, you will always cherish Assam tea tour of Assam Tours and Travels.
We came from South Korea, Seoul. Our purpose to tea tour Assam area. Due to Assam tour, yesterday, today, and tomorrow, we will have a good time. Thank you.
Welcome.